Well, welcome to Sao Paulo for this Group B decider, a clash of two sides with perfect records in the tournament so far. The Dutch have looked particularly impressive in their wins over world champions Spain and Australia, under outgoing head coach Louis van Gaal. There he is, barking out some last-minute instructions ahead of facing a Chilean team who are without their key midfielder Arturo Vidal. Well, here's Arjen Robben, who scored at every game of the finals so far. A trademark mazy run from the Bayern Munich star. And oh, so close from Arjen Robben. What a World Cup this man is having. Of course, assuming extra attacking responsibilities for this game in the absence of Robin van Persie. Robben so close, but still the Dutch can't break down a resolute Chilean rearguard. Still, the deadlock remains unbroken with 13 minutes left on the clock. Plenty of orange jerseys forward for this corner. Taken short to Janmaat. A tantalising cross. And a goal, at last a goal for the Netherlands. And it's the substitute Leroy Fer who's got it. The Norwich City man arriving on the pitch just moments earlier. Timed his run to perfection. Unmarked and a bullet header. A goal straight off the training ground for the Dutch. They lead 1-0. Now the Dutch have caught Chile on the counter-attack. They've committed so many men forward. Acres of space opening up in front of Arjen Robben. He's forced wide, puts in a pinpoint cross, and there it is, the second goal. It's scored by another substitute, the youngster Memphis Depay, this time arriving at the far post. He simply couldn't miss. Outstanding work from Robben. Still full of running in this, the final minute. Depay's finish puts the Netherlands 2-0 up and surely clinches Group B in the process. Welcome to Sao Paulo for this all-important Group D showdown between two sides who simply can't afford to lose.